When seeing a lawyer, a lot of people avoid it because they're worried about the legal fees that are adding up. But rest assured, there are some ways to make things a lot more affordable and easier for yourself. So tell me, Courtney, what are some ways that people can save money with their family lawyer?
A good way to save legal costs is, if people can, to negotiate issues between themselves. So a lot of people don't feel comfortable sitting face to face and talking, and that's completely understandable. So communication by email is usually good. Positive with that is too that people can send communication and receive it, and then take some time to think about their response rather than feeling pressured to provide an instantaneous answer. Obviously, if people do feel comfortable meeting face to face, that's a very good way to do it, because you can convey tone and body language and that sort of thing. If people are able to narrow the issues that are outstanding, that means that there might be only a few issues that the lawyers need to assist you with, or sometimes people come to us with a complete agreement, and we just need to prepare the legal documents to formalise that agreement. So certainly using every opportunity you can to talk to each other, to negotiate and narrow the issues, that will certainly
help. So what are some ways that people can assist their lawyer? Because I'm sure there's a lot of paperwork and there's a lot of things that you need to bring in to your appointments. So organisation, I'm sure, is the key. So what are some ways that people can prepare for their visit?
Well, the first thing that comes to mind, I suppose, is assisting us with getting on top of the facts, because the facts are what the client knows and what the client needs to tell us. And if they can give us clear information about the facts, so for example, when they got together, when they separated, when their children were born, when a particular house was bought and for how much, all of those facts, by gathering those and providing, I suppose, a summary to us, certainly assists, and then we can focus on what you engage us for, which is a legal advice. Other things, if we give you homework, we try not to give too much of that, but if we give people homework to gather certain financial documents, for example, if they give them to us in a timely manner, or if they give them to us in a, I suppose, prepared chronological order compared to maybe a box full of documents, it's obviously going to save a lot of time for us, and we'll get on top of them far quicker and in turn save them money. Something else we're also finding too it's quite common, is if people understandably will be a bit uncertain about which way they might want to go, or what option they wish to take, or how they want to proceed. What is a good thing is for people to take some time to think about which way they want to go and then provide their instructions to us, rather than rushing things and then changing their mind a number of times, which involves a lot more work for us and therefore cost for them in changing things.
Great advice. So how can people make the most out of their time with the family lawyer then?
Come prepared. If you have questions, write them down, bring them with you. We have on our website some resources that tell people what sort of documents they might need to bring along to an initial appointment. If we can have them before we even meet with the client, we've got all that background knowledge there, and we can get to the legal advice and spend our time on that. So that's certainly a way that people can assist us.
So there you go, head to the website, grab the form, fill it all out, grab all your information, and you're going to save a lot of time and some money on your lawyer fees. So don't forget to contact Ruhl Family Law for legal advice if you're going through a separation.